turn in flames, no will to restrain the fears that tear us apart when we cry. Have come to an end. Crows gather to taste of our flesh. With the gaze we stare into nothing, and the vultures soar on